Last time out, we started our 3-month van journey around Australia, but we found ourselves broken down in the middle of nowhere. If you haven't seen that episode yet, check the description for the link. To recap, we spent just 2 days on the road, breaking down in Glendambo, South Australia. We had to be towed all the way back to Adelaide. With the van and the mechanic, we threw together a new plan. We booked a few flights and got on the plane to Cairns. With nothing really planned other than a few ideas, we grabbed a hire car, which is weird not being a van, and took off south to the Wooroonooran National Park. The Wooroonooran, try to say that one, National Park is one of the wet tropics World Heritage areas. This area gets some of the highest rainfall in Australia, so naturally it's green and filled with unreal waterfalls to explore. The curtain fig was a cool little stop. The fig tree is a strangler fig which grows on the top of another tree, and over time it kills the host tree it's on. Sounds like a bit of an alien movie, doesn't it? The name curtain fig comes from its aerial roots which drop to the forest floor and form a curtain look. The tree is thought to be over 500 years old and over 50 meters tall. Watch for the little brush turkeys everywhere in Cairns. The next morning we started early and discovered a small town known for its platypus sightings. These guys are notoriously hard to find, but we got up early and with a little bit of patience we managed a fleeting glimpse. Oh, and that's a turtle who tricked us. Buzzing from the platypus sighting, we headed to Behana Gorge walking trail. It's an easy but a pretty long walk that took us to our favourite waterfall yet. After a relaxing drive back up the coast, our next day saw us take the ferry across the Daintree River, heading towards Cape Tribulation. The ferry can take a maximum of 27 vehicles and takes about 5 minutes to cross the river. It operates every day from early morning until about midnight. At nearly $50 to go from here to here, it's ferryway robbery. The other side of the river led us to the amazing Daintree National Park. The tropical rainforest has existed here for more than 110 million years, making it one of the oldest existing rainforests. It is also home to one of the most amazing dinosaur relatives, the cassowary. Unfortunately, the one we saw across the road disappeared before we had the camera ready. We were on the lookout for the trails, but we had no luck finding those guys. They moved so quietly through the forest, they could have been anywhere. Oh well, I guess we'll have to get them on the camera next time. Now you can't come to Cairns without visiting the Great Barrier Reef. Being our first visit to the reef, we wanted to make sure to do it right. We weren't going to go home without taking a scenic flight. A few pre-flight checks and we were off. The flights take off from Cairns Airport and take in some of the stunning views of the largest coral reef system in the world. Now from above we go below. The colours and life in every corner of the reef. I can't honestly wait to go back and do this again and again. We saw a lot of cute something or others and hey, Nemo! We swam with the turtles, with all the fishes of different shapes, colours and sizes, and also the man-eater himself, the shark. Okay, maybe he wasn't a man-eater, but it's still pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us on the next adventure.